Welcome back to this video. If you use Google Translate on your phone, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see three amazing things that you probably don't know that Google Translate can do without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your Google Translate. The very third one I would like to show you as far as Google Translate is concerned, if you come to the camera icon from the bottom right here, then from the camera icon right here, you switch to picture. Then having opened up the camera lens right here, I can simply select any of the picture I have on my phone album right here. I'm going to choose this particular screenshot. Now we have it right here. So by default, this is in Chinese language. And then what we want to do here is to make sure we switch to another language. So this screenshot here, I'm going to translate it into English language. So I have to make sure I choose detected language right here. I'm going to click on English right here. I will switch to Chinese. Then right here, I will make sure it will automatically switch to English language. Alternatively, we can decide to change from English language to another language. So I'm going to click on here. Then having click on, I'm going to simply click on it. And then from here, I can choose another type of language. There are a lot of language right here that you can simply download offline and use. I'm going to use Bulgaria. And in a few seconds, it automatically translates to Bulgaria. One more great thing about this translation section here, you can swipe and come to the bottom right here and click on listening. When you click on listening, this allows you to hear.
202.46.
So it's as simple as that. We can simply close it and then we simply go back to the home page. Another great feature I want to show you as far as Google Translate is concerned. So the second one I would like to show you as far as Google Translate trick you need to know is concerned. If you come to the dictate language right here, I'm going to simply switch from here and switch to English language. Then why it automatically converts to Chinese tradition. And then what we want to do next is to click on conversation right here. So if I click, it take you to all the messages right here. Then you have English from the top and you have the second language from the bottom, and you can simply click on here to copy the text and paste it in whatever you want to use it. It's as simple as that. So let's take a look at the very first one I would like to show you as far as, so I'm going to simply exit from here. So the very last one I want to show you as far as Google Translate trick you need to know is concerned. So we can come to the top right here and enter our text. So but before that, we need to choose language from here. So I'm going to choose English language, and then I'm going to simply translate to another language right here. I'll simply click on here, and I will scroll down and look for another language. So there are a lot of language right here. You can simply download and add to your language collection. So I'm going to choose this particular one right here. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to type in right here. I'm going to make use of my keyboard for everything. So when you type, it automatically converts to your language that you choose. You can also use this icon right here to listen to the language. You can also use this icon right here to copy the translate. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is sort amazing things you need to know as far as Google Translate is concerned. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.